Good morning. Let's get the ball rolling for today. Namaskar, this is Karuna. And before I go ahead, do the lesson for today, please like and subscribe the channel in CBSC English Enthusiasts with Karuna. Now, the topic that I have decided to cover today is article and report writing. This is question number 6 of your English CBSE board paper. So question number 6 के अंदर दो choices आती हैं between article and report writing. So how we go about is the marks division, the difference between the two, the similarities between the two, the types of questions that the board puts forward, and based on those you can make your own choice and go ahead with writing either of the two when given in the board paper. Okay, so article and report, the basic difference, इतनी सी बात समझ लो, article is more subjective kind of writing. It is more persuasive in nature. It makes the readers agree to a viewpoint about a topic or an opinion. Now article thoda sa, could be a little more relaxed kind of writing. Report, however, is very very formal writing. It's the presentation of facts and figures and an incident in the manner of how it happened. So अगर हम रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हैं, हम किसी इवेंट को जैसा वो हुआ था in the past, we have to report it. Whereas when we write article, it's more of a relaxed writing where you can express your opinion or quote somebody else's opinion, present a fact or a data on the given topic. So दोनों के formats में difference है. However, they both go ahead to check how cohesive your writing is. So let's get this started. So हम क्या करेंगे, पहले we take up report writing. Marks for both of it is 5 marks. Question number 6 है, it comes as option A or B. दोनों को 5 marks allocate किए हैं board ने. Now you see how the marks is divided. Format has 1 marks. Organization of ideas, आप किस तरीके से अपने organize करते हो ideas, that carries 1 marks. Content material, नाउ इसमें क्या है, आपको रिपीट नहीं करने हैं पॉइंट्स, आपको अलग अलग तरीके से टू एक्सप्रेस एन ओपिनियन. हाउएवर रिपोर्ट और आर्टिकल का डिफरेंस ये है कि रिपोर्ट इट कवर्स 5 W's and 1 H: what, when, where, why, who, and then how. So reporting an incident in the manner of its occurrence. दोनों की word limit 120 to 150 words है. Now let's go ahead, read the similarities. Both have a formal structure. The structure more or less is formal, the writing is formal, and it checks whether you are clear with your thoughts, whether your thoughts are organized. It forms a coherent, there's a coherence, it forms into a one big whole. Language सही है कि नहीं आपकी, and both can be informative in nature. Now the differences, पहले आर्टिकल करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का जो एक ऑप्शन है, दैट इज आर्टिकल. व्हाट डज इट डू? इट इज एक्सप्रेसिव एंड परसुएसिव. एक्सप्रेसिव मीनिंग कि आप अपनी बात ऑन अ गिवन टॉपिक एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, एंड परसुएसिव मीनिंग यू कन्विंस द रीडर दैट यू have a particular kind of opinion on a given topic. इसमें very very important, फर्स्ट पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन में आप लिख सकते हो. इट्स मोर रिलैक्स्ड. आप ओपिनियंस, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, इनसाइट्स, यू कैन प्रेजेंट एनीथिंग. नाउ द पैराग्राफ्स हैव टू गो अहेड एंड फ्लो इन अ सीक्वेंस. आप एक टॉपिक लोगे, you kind of introduce the topic, you develop a topic by adding ideas to it, and then when you're done with 120 150 word limit, you round off the topic, sum it up again to present a final discretion on the topic. Now report पे जब हम जाएंगे, it's more objective and factual. Meaning what? कि जो facts हैं, अगर कोई इंसिडेंट और supposedly there was a craft exhibition in your school, in the manner of how that exhibition started, वो कैसे प्रोग्रेस हुआ, कितने लोग आए, कौन कौन उसका पार्ट थे, who was the चीफ गेस्ट ने क्या किया. तो ये it kind of has this progression, a movement to from the beginning of an event to the end, कि end कैसा हुआ. It has to have a heading but may have a subheading. देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. टाइम, द ऑडियंस, इन ये सब हेडिंग्स भी आप यूज करोगे, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. नाउ पर्पस. आर्टिकल का पर्पस क्या है? टू प्रेजेंट ओपिनियंस, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, इंसाइट ऑन अ टॉपिक. इट्स मोर ऑफ एन एंगेजिंग काइंड ऑफ अ रीड ऑन अ गिवन टॉपिक. रिपोर्ट का पर्पस क्या है? टू प्रेजेंट factual evidence, factual presentation of something that has happened in the past. Tone or style. Article, as I said, first third person use करके, इसका tone is relaxed, can be formal, semi formal, persuasive and can include personal opinions. आप इस एक टॉपिक के ऊपर personal opinions आर्टिकल में दे सकते हैं, whereas रिपोर्ट में वो नहीं हो सकता. So रिपोर्ट में you do not need to give personal opinion. वो सिर्फ बहुत ही concrete presentation of any event or an accident or an incident that happened. That's what you need to do for report writing. Structure. Structure for article. एक catchy title. The title has to be related to your topic. आप title लिखोगे. आप by whoever the name of that person concerned is either given in the question. If not given, you invent the necessary details and that's how you write. So say water pollution. Let's take a simple topic as water pollution by Karuna. That becomes my byline, and then my introduction, body, and conclusion. However, जब हम report लिखते हैं, इसका slightly difference है format than the article writing. Report में you write a heading. Again, that heading has to be related to the topic given in the question. Byline by Karuna. Within parenthesis, you will write student reporter and then leave a line. और आप अपने margin की तरफ लिखोगे date and place. So 21st January 2025, Jaipur, full stop. तो हम ये करेंगे when we write the format of report. इन दोनों का फॉर्मेट इजी है याद करना. आर्टिकल का तो बहुत इजी है. एक कैची टाइटल बाय whoever person is concerned, whosoever is concerned writing that article, उसका नाम लिखना है. रिपोर्ट में आपको बाय स्टूडेंट रिपोर्टर और द हेड रिपोर्टर इन पैरेंथेसिस लिखना है. लीव अ लाइन, डेट एंड प्लेस मैंडेटरी. इसमें भी what happened, how it happened, कितने लोग, अगर कोई से देयर वाज अ फायर मिसहैप, तो कितने लोगों की जान गई, क्या डैमेज हुआ, हाउ डिड द गवर्नमेंट हेल्प, हाउ डिड पीपल अराउंड हेल्प, help and rescue team, how did they help, and then towards the end you talk about any plausible solution to the report. Now aspect. लैंग्वेज हमने बात कर ली है. रिपोर्ट इज क्रिस्प, आर्टिकल इज मोर परसुएसिव, एंगेजिंग, रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो आप. और इसमें रिपोर्ट में आपको किसी भी पर्सनल ओपिनियन को देने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक चीज याद रखना, जब हम रिपोर्ट लिखते हैं, वी ऑलवेज रिपोर्ट एन इवेंट और एन इंसिडेंट दैट हैज हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. वो हो चुका है. आप अगर ये लिखोगे कि मैं आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड आई विटनेस दिस हैपनिंग, दैट्स नॉट हाउ द रिपोर्ट वर्क्स. वी ऑलवेज रिपोर्ट एन इवेंट दैट हैज हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. कॉमन मिस्टेक्स क्या है आर्टिकल और रिपोर्ट को लेके? Common mistakes for article: not addressing all the aspects of the topic. तो जब हम बोर्ड का पेपर लेंगे, what we do is we'll take a pencil, we will underline all the keywords that needs to be addressed. Question paper में ही आप with a pencil you underline all the keywords that's given in the question. और जब आप अपने टॉपिक को डेवलप कर रहे हो, you try addressing each keyword that's mentioned in your topic. Lack of coherence and logical flow. So when we write an article, jot down your points towards the last page and pick those points to flow in a good, in a natural manner, good natural manner. अगर एक टॉपिक आप यू राइटिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स एंड दूसरा आप कहीं और कनेक्शन ले जाते हो, देन इट डज नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज इनटू अ होल. कई बार तो क्यूज दिए होते हैं आपके क्वेश्चन में, सो यूज दोज क्यूज. आप डेवलप कर सकते हो एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड यू कैन सम इट ऑल अप. Grammatical and spelling errors, of course, there's marks allocated for grammar and spelling, so you need to avoid those. Try writing in simple sentences. बहुत flowery language करने की, बहुत exaggerated language की जरूरत नहीं है. What we are testing is whether a student is able to express his viewpoint on a given topic in a logical manner. तो जिन लोगों को grammar और spelling में दिक्कत आती है, what you can do is write simple small sentences. That is all about it. Weak or abrupt conclusions. नाउ स्टार्ट तो हमने बहुत अच्छे से किया और एंड पे हमने जाके कुछ भी लिख दिया. सो दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड इन अ सॉलिड पॉइंट, आइदर एक कोट के साथ आप खत्म कर सकते हो, और यू कैन सम इट अप बाय गिविंग योर. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम शेयर करनी है ऑन अ टॉपिक, तो टुवर्ड्स द एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड सॉल्यूशंस टू इट. सो दैट्स विद आर्टिकल राइटिंग. रिपोर्ट के लिए क्या करेंगे? हु, व्हाट, ये because we are reporting an event of the past. क्या हुआ, who was involved, कब हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, क्यों हो गया, अगर there was a theft तो कैसे, क्यों हो गया, and how that whole procedure. तो when we address a report, you remember 5 W's and 1 H. That is what we do for report writing. इसमें गलती क्या होती है हमसे? हम बहुत इनफॉर्मल हो जाते हैं. नहीं, इट्स अ वेरी फॉर्मल काइंड ऑफ अ राइटिंग. इसमें सिर्फ आपको फैक्चुअल प्रेजेंटेशन देना है. इसमें आप पर्सनल ओपिनियंस, किसी और के पर्सनल ओपिनियंस बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करोगे. So do not add any personal opinions and maintain a logical flow. So start with what, who, what, when, where, why, and then go ahead, write how. Or, if it was, say, some it was a mistake of somebody concerned, how could that mistake have been avoided, and how it should be avoided in the future is what you need to report. Now, types of questions. बहुत मैंने 5 बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, बहुत जनरल क्वेश्चंस जो बार बार इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स एंड मैनर्स आर्टिकल और रिपोर्ट के लिए पूछे जाते हैं. आई हैव जस्ट columnized them. So for an article, write an article on social media addiction. Very trending topic, social media addiction among teenagers. Write an article on importance of physical exercise. Write an article on role of technology in education. Write an article on the impact of climate change. Write an article on how cultural heritage shapes youth identity. Report के लिए write a newspaper report on an accident or an event. Write a report on school event or some trip. Write a report on recent seminar or exhibition. Write a factual report on social issue. Write a report on scientific discovery or a new technology. तो जब हम आर्टिकल लिखेंगे, हमारा जो मैनर ऑफ राइटिंग विल बी मोर रिलैक्स्ड. जब हम रिपोर्ट लिखेंगे, तो अगर कोई एक्सीडेंट या कोई इवेंट या कोई स्कूल ट्रिप हुआ, कौन गया था, कहाँ गया था, क्यों गया था, एंड देन who was involved, who was the teacher who assisted, so where had you all gone, what happened, and then how it happened. That is how it should be described for a report. Now, ways to begin an article. कई बार हमको समझ नहीं आता, so we begin just randomly. The very easiest, I mean, the easiest way to begin is by stating, just picking up the topic and directly starting. That is the easiest way. So, but there could be other things, other manners in which you can begin by asking a rhetorical question. Have you ever wondered why teenagers are glued to their screen? Every year, using a shocking fact, every year 8 million tons of plastic enter our oceans. By quoting a famous person, Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And then we can go ahead and elaborate on the topic. By giving a short anecdote is an example. Rahul, a 10-year-old boy, was found spending hours on social media. और फिर उसके साथ क्या हुआ, और फिर then you can relate to the topic कि ये उसको, he universally represents all the teenagers of today. And then you can go ahead and develop your topic, and by making a strong statement, the future of our planet depends on the actions we take today. Report writing. On 5th of March, a road accident took place. By mentioning location and date, the annual sports meet was held on 15th December. अगर उस meet का कुछ नाम है, so the say for example the uh, Rhythm Divine Cultural Fest was held on 15th December. By quoting an authority, according to experts, animal cruelty is on rise. By providing statistics, recent reports show a 20% increase in road accident. Then you can go develop your topic. By describing the event concisely, a fire broke out in the local market causing chaos. So in alag-alag manners, in alag-alag ways से आप article or report begin कर सकते हो. Now, 5 points to add in the body because it carries 120 to 150 words. So we give an introduction or try paragraphing your content. Try paragraphing, try having an introduction, your body, and conclusion. So for article, you write introduce the topic, explain the causes or background, present supporting facts, examples, statistics, offer different viewpoints. क्योंकि ये it should not be a debate when you strongly believe in an opinion and you are kind of advocating it. Here you present a balanced opinion. There's no fight for a win. There could be an opinion, it is persuasive in nature, but you can also, in order to balance it out, give the opinions of others and provide recommendations or solutions. Report में क्या होता है? What happened, event details, where and when did it happen, location and time, who was involved, people or organizations, what were the consequences, उस event का consequence or result क्या हुआ, conclusion, final statements or findings. For both, you need to have a proper conclusion. Now, how do you conclude? There are various ways to conclude an article and report. Let's take up the article first. In conclusion, social media has both benefits and drawbacks. एक side of the coin we are not presenting since it is not a debate writing. By reinforcing the main argument, it is high time we take measure to curb plastic pollution. By making a call to action, we must act now before it's too late. By ending with a rhetorical question, so are we ready to change our ways for a better future? By leaving a lasting impression saying technology is here to stay, but how are we to use it is in our hands. Report का क्या होता है? Because it's not an opinion, so it summarizes the finding. The event was well managed and had a great impact on the students. By giving a final observation, this initiative has set a great example for others to follow. By stating future implications, similar efforts should be made to raise awareness in the future. By suggesting improvements, by acknowledging key contributions, the efforts of volunteers played a crucial role in the success of the event. कोई event है तो उसका success, who is given, who is accredited for that success is what you write towards the end. Now, the final thing, this is just an example. This is an example of article writing. तो आप देखो उसका topic मैंने ऊपर लिया है by earth, and then my content flows in a sequence. So I have it's just an example which is paragraphed into 3 to 4 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs you should, advisable minimum you should have introduction, body and conclusion. Coming to report writing, आप देखो the difference here is I have the heading, I have the name of the concerned person, the reporter, student reporter in parenthesis, Delhi, place and date. And then my content begins कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, who, what, where, why, and then towards the end, how. So this is all about writing article and report. If there's any topic that you need special guidance with, if you want me to deal with either of these topics separately or any other problem, please drop your message in the comment section and let me know how we can go about it. Thank you so much. I'll be back with another topic. So see you soon. Keep liking, subscribing, commenting. In case you have a problem, do let me know. Bye bye. See you. Thank you so much.